Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So if I look dead tired, it's because I am. I literally just woke up and I am so exhausted. But today's video is going to be a vlog style video if you couldn't tell. I am sorry that I didn't upload a video all last week. I got sick and I just was not feeling up to it. Like, I tried multiple times and I just needed to take a mini break and rest and just focus on like my health instead of other things. YouTube is very time consuming, especially when I'm already in nursing school, so trying to upload 3 videos a week is very challenging. My goal is, since I wasn't there last week and I didn't give you guys an explanation why, I kind of want to upload 5 videos this week, so a video every day of the week for you guys. So today's video is just gonna be like a vlog of like what I'm doing. I do have something exciting going on tonight. I will be going to the Sam Riggs concert, so that's super exciting, and I will vlog part of that. Other than that, I mean, you'll just see what I do in a day. I have to do some studying, some laundry, stuff like that. Okay, so I'm not sure that anyone entirely cares. Look at my little kitty over there. She's so cute. Look at her. Good morning, Chalky. Socks, say hi. Socks, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Oh, you're too cute. Yes, ma'am. You're so cute. Yes, ma'am. I love her. So I'm not sure that anyone entirely cares, but I've been working on this puzzle. It's a Springbok puzzle. It's 1,500 pieces. I've been working on this for way too long, but I finally finished, and I wanted to show you guys because I am very proud because it took me way too long to finish this stupid puzzle. I love puzzles, by the way, but this one was a beast. But it's really pretty, so I love it. Okay, so it's a lot later now in the day. Well, not like a lot later, but it's definitely later. It's not morning anymore. And you probably just saw my whole like cleaning, like self-care montage kind of thing. So I have done studying. I did laundry. I did all the things. And now I'm just kind of like waiting around to get ready. Chris is supposed to be coming over today because he's going to the concert with me and Hannah. And I actually was informed that it's not my niece, but I'm going to call her my niece. But she's my cousin's daughter. She just had her last night, so we're actually going to go to the hospital and visit her a little bit later today. But I'm not going to film that. I'm just letting you guys know that that's what I'm doing. I'm going to go see my new little second cousin is what she would technically be, but she's my little niece. And I'm super excited to see her. But we are just waiting for Chris to get here, and I probably need to start getting ready just because we have to leave in a little bit. But my cat is laying on my bed and she's being super cute. Let me show you. So my cat loves to lay in my room. She comes in here all the time just to lay on my bed. Partially to get away from my dad because he tortures her. But Socks, look at me. Kitty. Socks. She did have her head down on the bed a minute ago and she was looking really cute, but now she won't do it because she's on camera and she's a little camera shy, aren't you? You a little camera shy? Are you a little camera shy? Oh, I bet she smells my salami from earlier. She loves to eat people food, and I bet she smells it because she wants some. She always sits and begs for chicken. Her favorite is golden chicken, isn't it? Isn't your favorite golden chicken? Yeet. Also, don't judge my candle stash. This isn't even all of my candles. I am actually ridiculous. This is now my candle table, but I wanted to tell you guys about this candle. This is the blueberry pie candle from Bath & Body Works, and oh my gosh, it's incredible. First of all, you can see that when it's lit, it like shines through those little things and it's so stinking cute. But this smells absolutely incredible. I did buy another one, as you can see right there. They put these on sale for like $10 and I had to snag one. But if you haven't smelled this, go smell it like ASAP and go get yourself one because it's the best one they've ever come out with, I swear. I love it. No, it's not coconut. No, it's not vanilla, but it is still incredible. Yeah, so again, don't judge my candle thing. These are just my spring candles. I have other candles other places. Also, during the cleaning montage, I'm sure you saw like in the back corner there's a crap ton of books stacked on top of a bookshelf, and then you see a bunch of other things in my room and how dirty it is. But like, I have a very small room and limited space, and I try to make the most of the space, but it ends up just looking cluttered and dirty. But that's because I have so much stuff that I need to get rid of, but I can't bring myself to do it. So instead, my room's gonna look a little cluttered, and just ignore it. You know, we don't talk about it. It's fine. Okay, guys, so it's been like a couple hours, like a long time. We did go visit my niece, and she's beautiful, she's healthy, she is like the prettiest baby I've ever seen, and she was super chill, so that was awesome. Also, Chris is here now. Say hi, Chris. Okay. Hello. And then Hannah's in the back seat. Hannah. Okay. So we're on our way to the Samurai concert now, and I turn right, and I will be vlogging. Will you though? That. So there will be a little bit of video for you guys there, and hopefully I get to meet him tonight because that would be awesome. I know that like I haven't vlogged for the past couple hours, but we were honestly there. This is good, son. We were there at the hospital, and then after the hospital we went and got Burger King because we're fatties and we love our food. And yeah, so that's all we've really done. And then we went home for like 5 minutes, freshened up,